Blake from Eagle Woodworking, and today we're going to go over how to fill out our Dovetail drawers order form. So first you'll go down, put whether you want a quote or an order, fill in your information, how your delivery options, UPS pickup or Eagle delivery if you're local. If you have any different shipping information, you'll enter it here. Then you'll select your wood type. This is thickness of wood and wood type, so 1/2 inch thick maple. Drawer slides, if you want to add drawer slides to your order, you'll do it in one click, and then we will select all the appropriate drawer slides based on the drawer box dimensions that you enter. If you want to add a rear mounting bracket, you can as well. And then if you have any questions about these, you can hit this View Spec Sheet button. It'll take you to our hardware section of our website where you can click in to find more information on the product. Then you'll go down and you'll enter your information here. So you have quantity 1, drawer height 4 inches by 22 inches by 21, then bottom thickness 1/4 inch or 3/8. If you want to set up for undermount slides for notch and bore, if you need details, you can click on the question mark and it'll show you. And then whether you want finished front, scoop, these are all some of the various options you can add. And then you have this drawer options section if you want to add any inserts or specialty drawers, and all of the options are in this drop down. They're also over here on the left hand side. So, what's a cutlery insert? You can click on the camera and it'll open you to the product page in a new tab. So let's say we want to make drawer 1 a cutlery insert. And then if we have any custom notes, you can put it in here. So please include 4 insert sections. And then you'll continue on entering the rest of your order. You can do decimals or fractions as you enter in here. And then there are a few options as well that have drop down. So if you want a shaped side, you'll enter your front height, your back height, and your shape. And then once you're finished, submit.